Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's our amazing assignment is on chapter 8 measurement. Sadhana workbook. Workout question 8, 9 and 10 sums. First problem, a patient's temperature taken by a nurse is written as 103.2. Okay, that is the question statement. First problem, in which scale is it taken? So usually we take the temperature, that means nurse in hospitals they'll take the temperature in Fahrenheit only. Okay, so Fahrenheit is the answer. That means 103.2 degree Fahrenheit. This is the temperature. Next, by how much is the patient's temperature more than the normal temperature in degree Celsius? So we have to find the more temperature than normal human body temperature in degree Celsius. First take the given Fahrenheit 103.2 degree Fahrenheit. Normal human body temperature is equal to, in degree Celsius, that is 37 degree Celsius. Recorded temperature is 103.2 degree Fahrenheit. So to find the more temperature, we have to subtract this 103.2 degree Fahrenheit minus 37 degree Celsius. See here, this temperature is there in Fahrenheit and this temperature is there in Celsius. First convert this degree Fahrenheit, that means Fahrenheit into Celsius. To convert, we have a formula, that is Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9 is equal to, Fahrenheit is 103.2 minus 32 into 5 by 9. It is equal to 103, take the problem, 103.2 minus 32. That can be written as 32.0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Point as it is. 3 minus 2, 1. 0 minus 3 is not possible, then take 1. That means 10 minus 3 is 71. So 71.2 into 5 by 9. First multiply 71.2 into 5. 71.2 into 5. 5 2's 10. 5 1's 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 7's 35. After how many digits do we have the decimal point? After one digit from the right side. So here also after one digit from the right side, place the decimal point. After one digit, that means before 0. So the answer 356 by 9. Let's divide both. 356 by 9. 3 divided by 9 is not possible, then go to the next place, that means then that becomes 35. 9 3's 27 and 9 4's 36. As 36 is greater than 35, go with the 9 3's. 9 3's 27. Subtract both the numbers. 5 minus 7 is not possible. Then 15, take 1 from the 3, then it becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 2 minus 2, 0. Next down 6. 9 9's 81. That means 9 can subtract 9 times from 86. Next 86 minus 81 is 5. Next take the decimal point, then here we will get 0. Next 9 5s 40, take this here 50, 9 5s 45, 50 minus 45 is 5, again we are getting 5. So, it will be continue 39.5 is the answer, that is in degree Celsius. So, 39.5 degree Celsius minus 37 degree Celsius, it is equal to, now again subtract 39.5 degree Celsius and 37 degree Celsius. Take this here 39.5 minus 37.0. 5 minus 0 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 3 minus 3 0. So, the answer is 2.5. It is equal to 2.5 degree Celsius. So, 2.5 degree Celsius more temperature is there. Next one, a running track is 450 meters long. See, this is the running track. Think this is the running track. They are also given a picture. A running track is 450 meters long. So, this is the length of the running race track, 450. There are 6 lanes. In these 6 lanes are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and each lane is 75 centimeters wide. So, from here to here, the wide of the lane is 75 centimeters. This is, so this is 75 centimeters. How wide is the running track? So, to find the wide of the total track, we have to add 75 6 times, or else we can also multiply with 6. So, take the problem solution. Number of lanes is equal to, how many are there? 6. Length of each lane, length of each lane is equal to how much? See, this is 75 centimeters. Then length of, that means from here to here, that means that is also called as wide. Length of 6 lanes is equal to 75 into 6. Multiply 75 and 6. 75 into 6. 6 5s 30, 6 7s 42, 42 plus 3 is 45. So, 450. 450 centimeters. If you convert these centimeters into meters, then 450 by 100, then it becomes, as we have 2 zeros in the denominator, the decimal point moves 2 times to the left side, that then this will become 4.5 meters. Next one, a house is 8.2 meters tall. So, length of tall, that means the length of the house is 8.2 meters. 8.2 meters. From here to here, the distance or length is 8.2 meters, and a ladder is 3.8 meters tall. The length of the ladder is 3.8 meters. How much short is the ladder to reach the top of the house? To reach the top of the house, this much of ladder is required. That means We know the total length of the house, that means 8.2, that is 8.2, and length of the ladder is 3.8. If we subtract both the numbers, we will get the length of the remaining ladder. That take the steps. First of all, solution. Length of the house is equal to how much? 8.2 meters, and the length of the ladder, or we can also call it as height of the house and height of the ladder. Length of the ladder is equal to 3.8 meters. To find the remaining ladder, we have to subtract both these. That means 8.2 minus 3.8. Let's take the problem. 8.2 minus 3.8. 2 minus 8 is directly not possible. Then go to the next place. Then it becomes 7. This will become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Next decimal point down as it is. 7 minus 3 is 4. So required ladder is 4.4 meters. If we have more 4.4 meters ladder, that means one more ladder. If you take, the length of the ladder should be 4.4 meters. 4.4 meters. This is the ladder. This is our assignment for today, children. Thank you.